guys, it's Alicia with WTI. These ceiling box covers from Arlington were an easy way to make our walls look finished, even though we had some unused open J boxes. So we moved into this house that had some sconces in this room that we were not going to use, but we thought we might install something here eventually. So we weren't going to drywall over them right away, but to make it look more finished, we wanted to cover up the hole and of course, make it a little bit safer as well. So these are super easy to install. We got a pack of 2 and it's basically a plastic bracket that you screw onto the J box, and then there is the cover, which you can place right over it, and it takes less than 5 minutes to get that job done. These covers are also paintable, which is really nice. So if you don't want it to stand out on your ceiling or on your wall, you can easily paint it the same color. And another nice thing is that you can use this on either a flat wall or ceiling or a textured. So there's 2 different options in the mounting bracket on where you actually place the cover. So it'll work with either. So if you're looking for a simple fix to cover up something that's a little bit unsightly, then I would definitely recommend these covers. They worked really well, super simple and easy to install. And that's my point of view.